Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer marketing skills with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the core marketing skills you possess. Identify the specific areas where you excel, such as content creation, social media management, or analytics. Familiarize yourself with HubSpot's suite of tools and features. Create a HubSpot account if you don't have one already. Explore the dashboard to get a feel for the layout and functionality. Take advantage of HubSpot Academy to access free training resources. Enroll in courses that align with your current marketing skills. Practice using HubSpot's tools during the course to gain hands-on experience. Learn how to create buyer personas using the HubSpot tool. Utilize HubSpot's CRM to manage contacts and segment your audience effectively. Understand the importance of inbound marketing and how HubSpot supports it. Experiment with creating landing pages using HubSpot's templates. Develop email marketing campaigns through HubSpot's email tool. Monitor the performance of your campaigns using HubSpot's analytics dashboard. Use the insights gained to refine your strategies and improve future marketing efforts. Network with other HubSpot users to exchange best practices and tips. Apply your marketing skills within HubSpot to create a cohesive marketing strategy. Regularly review new features and updates from HubSpot to stay current with industry trends. Track your progress and document your achievements within the platform. Leverage HubSpot's community forums for troubleshooting and support. Finally, continuously iterate on your strategies based on data and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.